Office District Social Welfare Officer Ri Bhoi District Kalapanlong Ya Kasngi Observation International Day Against Drugs Abuse and Illicit Trafficking men ha ka arpundu trigujilliu hajar punriu ha kasnong rang sakona hambor nihan ka kerteng jong kane ka program latip kum ka nashamuk sapta bat ka phang padeng ka bade jong ka nashamuk Bharat Abhiyan Viksit Bharat ki pehchan ha kane ka sngila panlong ru ya ka jingyai trali ban pensngu thu pai ba ya ka jingma ka bawan ra na ka jingdi drugs ha kane ka sngila ya don rangkat da Akash Marak MCS Assistant Commissioner Ri Bhoi District, kakong NF Sun District Social Welfare Officer Ri Bhoi District, kakong B Pamsyong ka psychologist, uba SL Rendra, Second Officer in Charge Bernihat Police Station, lembat kiwi de.
Trafficking. So regarding drugs, our resource person have taken care of it. I mean, they have already given you a very wide variety of perspective regarding this. But I would like to take you through the different approach regarding this one. So in our society, currently we are facing two nuisances, which is drug abuse and trafficking. So you must, I don't know whether you have heard regarding the Golden Triangle. Have you heard the Golden Triangle? So as far as I can remember, the Golden Triangle refers to the area of Burma, which is Myanmar, Afghanistan and Pakistan. So we have the boundaries between these three nations, three countries, right? So all these countries have they have been growing drugs and whatnot. And being our country being in the center of all of it, our country is very much exposed to these drugs being trafficked from the international borders. So regarding this one, so I would like to